Here he is.
He's 11 days old today.
Now what?
Now we just videotape him.
Big yawn.
People can see how cute he is.
Let's eat you.
Aww, look at that face.
Look at that little tongue out. You little pudgy. Get in the video, babe.
No, I don't want to be in this video. Hey, buddy. Wake up. Stay awake. He is the cutest baby in the world. Thank you.
Says Mama and Daddy.
Thank you. And everyone else.
And Grandma and Grandpa.
And everybody else.
And everyone else, apparently.
They just won't admit it. He's got a pretty good grip.
Yeah.
Hey, cutie.
Well,
Okay.
we're gonna